Today we are going to learn about errors and rounding of numbers. Let xt be the true or exact value of a quantity and xa be the approximated value of that quantity. Then the absolute error can be defined as epsilon a, that is equals to modulus of xt minus xa. That means the difference between true value and approximated value. Since here we have taken the mod value, therefore it can also be written as mod of xa minus xt. Now the relative error. Relative error can be defined as epsilon r, that is equals to what? Mod of xt minus xa by mod of xt, where mod of xt not equals to 0. So from here we can say epsilon r equals to what? Epsilon a by mod of xt. Now if mod of xt, that means true value, is unit, then epsilon r became epsilon a. Okay, that means relative error equals to absolute error. Now what about percentage error? Percentage error, it can be defined as epsilon p, that is equals to epsilon r into 100. That means mod of xt minus xa by mod xt into 100%. So that is our percentage error. Here we have taken some examples to know how to rounding of any number. Here we have to rounding off up to 4 significant figures. Since we have to rounding of this number up to 4 significant digits, therefore the rounding of this number depends on the 5th digit, whether it is less than 5 or greater than 5 or it is 5. So if it is less than 5, here we can see that 3 is less than 5. Hence the 4th digit remain same or unchanged. Therefore after rounding of this number we get what? 36.12. Now in example number 2 we can see that the 5th digit is 7, that means greater than 5. Therefore the 4th digit increased by 1. So our answer became 36.13. Okay. Now what will be happened if the last digit is 5? If the last digit is 5, then the rounding of this number depend on the 4th number digit, whether it is even or odd. Here we can see that the 4th digit is even. Then it remain unchanged. The rule is if the 4th digit here is even, then it remain unchanged. That means our answer will be 36.12. Similarly, if the last digit is 5 and the digit exactly before this, that means the 4th digit here, is if it is odd, then this digit is increased by 1. That means our answer will be 36.14 in this case. Okay. Here we can see that the fifth digit is 5, but it is followed by one non-zero number. In this case, we just have to add 1 with the fourth digit. Then after rounding off, it became 36.14.